Okay, in this drawing we will draw the left 3D part design. So we will select XY plane. Okay, then we can do a circle there. Okay, with the radius of 82 mm. Okay, then we create a line to make it hemisphere and do a trim. Okay, next we want to do the 30-degree angle on the bottom side of the hemisphere. Okay, so we need to have an axis. So create an axis with the distance from the vertical line of 13 mm. Okay, then we create a triangle line, okay, intersect with the hemisphere circle. Okay, okay, we do the angle with 30 degree. So we get the distance of the bottom part of the hemisphere. Okay, so we exit the sketch and we can do the extrude or pad with the distance of 227 mm. Okay, next. Okay, we can observe our drawing based on the front view, top view, or any view. Okay, here we want to rotate the drawing to be similar, almost similar like the view of the main figure. Okay, you can use the rotation, okay, to rotate. Okay, so now we have a similar view with the drawing. So what we want to do next is a circle, okay, internal circle with the radius of, with the diameter of 88.9. Okay, we can select a hemisphere circle, select one in the center. Okay, to some distance. Okay, so we can create the semicircle. Then we can put the diameter of 88.90. Okay, so we will have a circle there. Okay, so this circle will be cut with the dimension of 78 mm. Okay, done for the first part. Okay, next we will do another circle at the internal face of the first cutting circle. Okay, select the internal face and select sketch. Then we can do the hemisphere circle. Okay, with the diameter of 57.15 mm. Okay, so we can do the pocket or cut until. Okay, now we need to reverse the direction in order for us to cut until the last surface of the drawing. Okay, so we have the second hollow, okay, of the drawing. Okay, next what we'll do is we will cut at the top surface of the geometry, so we can create rectangle there. Okay, in this case it doesn't matter for us to create an extra length at the vertical line because we want to cut through the circle. So the vertical line have a distance from the vertical line, distance from the rectangle with 38 mm, and then the horizontal line is 33. So what we do, we just can pocket it with the distance of 19. Okay, done. So done for the top cutting. Next we want to cut for the bottom surface. Okay, select the bottom surface, select sketch. Okay, to make things easier, maybe you can rotate this drawing to be similar as your reference drawing. Okay, I rotate it here, then it's almost similar here. Okay, okay, or even you can try to find the base rotation. But in this case we need to rotate it. Okay, just rotate it. Okay, so at least we get the almost reference point. Okay, select that surface, the bottom surface. Okay, and then we select the third interface from the circle. Okay, so now the distance is 22 mm. Okay, between the both line or the meter of the circle. So what we need to do next is Okay, now here is the diameter. Okay, we need to select the correct one. Okay, select the number. Okay, now we already in the correct dimension, so just select 22. Okay, seems that is the dimension is based on the center, so means 22 we can divide into 2, become 11. So the distance between the circle there with the radius of 11 and the distance of the line is 114. Okay, so what we can do is we can shift the drawing by drag the drawing near to the surface, and then we can do the constraint. So the constraints is 26 from the bottom, and then we select the vertical line and the center of the right circle to be in the same constraint or inside. So what you can do, you can zoom it. Okay, we get it. Then the next vertical line and just coincidence. Okay, now we have the main drawing for cutting. Next, what we need to do is we just need to do the to exit. As usual, we can exit the workbench and select pocket with the distance of 13 mm. Okay, preview and check the direction and done. Okay, so we have done all the pocket of the main drawing. Next, what we'll do is we want to create a top surface of from the surface, top surface, another surface, cutting surface. Okay, this is a bit tricky here. Okay, what you need to do here, you can first create a circle or semicircle. Okay, the outer semicircle. Okay, next what we can do is we need to create an axis. Okay, create an axis of horizontal axis. Okay, then we can create another line, okay, axis with the distance of 38 degree, okay, with the angle of 38 degree. Okay, now we have the 38 degree line, which is the center of the block. So what we can do is we can create another line, okay, parallel with the 38 degree line. Okay, so there is a parallel. Make sure before you stop it you can see the parallel, showing the parallel. So with the distance of 41, and we know that it should be 82 from the total, so we can directly mirror it at the axis of 38 degree. So we have the distance of 82 from the total line. Okay, next we can do a line, okay, intersect between the line, okay, and have a 90 degree or tangent with the line. Okay, we take the distance between the center of the circle with 51 mm. Okay, now we have the sketch. Next, we need to do the trim every line that we don't want it to exist, in order for us to do the drawing, to do the cutting well. Okay, delete, trim. Okay, where is, okay, another one, trim. Okay, I think we are here. Okay, you can check. Okay, next you just need to do the pad. Okay, this shows that there is an error happen. There is a not there is some line which is not a close distance, so we can check of each angle. This is one thing about CATIA. Okay, it's very precise that we sometimes cannot notice. Okay, okay, still there. Okay, cancel. So where is it? Okay, okay, I think everything should be okay there. Maybe we cannot notice. Okay, the sketch also okay. Okay, I think our drawing should be okay. There must be some drawing that outside of this main sketch drawing. Okay, we can delete some of the line in order for us to find. Okay, still a problem here. Okay, cannot create it. Give a try. I think still no error. Okay, still error, so we need to find the line. Okay, where is the line? Okay, should be okay here. Okay, we find it. So there is another orange line at the top surface. Okay, this small surface has a wire everything, but there is no problem. We just delete it and create the pad with the distance of 33 mm. Okay, now we finally get the 3D drawing of the geometry. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the tutorial and all the best. Thank you very much.